Let me tell you a story about a girl. She looked at her face in the mirror every day and thought, why are there so many problems with my appearance? But after a few days, such a change occurred that she couldn't believe it herself. Do you know what's most surprising? There was no magic behind this change, nor was there any impossibility. There was a simple method that most people don't know about. In today's video, I will show you the entire story of that transformation from beginning to end and how this change was possible, step by step. So don't skip the video, because the real secret is at the end.